So this right here is a simple solution of the automation anytime stone slab goop, stone slab solution, thicker version. It's basically reformatting a refrigerator, again, that had already been, this is after about 12 or 13, maybe 14 minutes of, it takes some time, but after about half an hour, about an hour is one side, believe it or not. So just to give you an idea of how long it takes to actually apply various solutions. And this is the thicker version of it. And so it takes a while, but you know, it's one of the things that the automation anytime stone slab solution can be, you know, applicable for. Anyways, until next time, over.